In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Temu website. Whether you're new to online shopping or just want to optimize your experience, I'll walk you through the entire process from login to cart view, ensuring that you're all set to shop with confidence. Let's kick things off by opening your Chrome browser and heading over to the Temu website. So you'll want to type w.temu.com into the address bar and hit enter. As the web page loads, it's time to get logged in. If you already have an account, you can simply enter your login credentials to access your account. If not, you'll need to create an account, which usually involves sharing some basic information like your email and setting a secure password. Once you're logged in, we can start navigating the site to find the item you're looking for. At the top of the page, there's a handy search bar waiting for you. You can use this feature to type in specific keywords related to the product you're interested in. However, if you're in the mood for exploring, you might want to browse through the categories that Temu has neatly organized. This can be a fun way to stumble upon new items that you might not have realized you needed. Now, once something catches your eye, click on it to discover more. This action will take you to the product page, which is packed with valuable information. Here you can review the item's description, price, available reviews, and often more images of the product in action. This is your chance to get a comprehensive understanding of the product before diving into a decision. The next logical step involves selecting any available options for the chosen product. Some items might have different sizes, colors, or perhaps quantities to consider. Make sure to pick the choices that suit your needs best. It's worth taking a moment to verify these details, as it can help avoid any potential disappointments when the item arrives at your door. With your selection customized to your liking, it's time to add the item to your digital shopping basket. Clicking on the Add to Cart button is easy and should trigger a pop-up confirming that the item has been successfully added to your cart. This gives you that satisfying assurance that it's ready for checkout whenever you are. During your shopping session, you might decide to review what's in your cart. Simply click on the cart icon, typically located at the top right corner of the page. This will lead you to a page where you can see all the items waiting to be purchased. It's a great spot to double check everything before proceeding to the final checkout. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you're now ready to shop on the Temu website with ease. Happy shopping, and stay tuned for more helpful guides in our upcoming videos.